Let's build a professional app store set in under 2 minutes. Start by locking in your font and device type. Adjust your gutters for perfect, modern spacing across every single frame instantly. Create a vibe with linear or radial gradients. You have total control over every color and angle. Drop in your raw screenshots. No resizing needed. They import and align automatically. Now make it dynamic. Scale, rotate, and layer your images to create a composition that actually stands out. Titles sell the benefit. Add your copy and style it with custom weights and colors to match your brand. Ready for international markets? Use built-in AI to auto-translate your captions into multiple languages. Here's the best part: total privacy. No accounts, no cloud. Your data never leaves your browser. Save your entire project as a local JSON file. Load it back up whenever you need to make an update. Hit export for all sizes and you're done. Pro-level assets, ready to ship.